So it's that time of the year again where many artists seem to flood their Instagram feeds with pen drawings every day. It's called Inktober, and there's a lot of people who seem to do this. Your favourite artist is probably doing it, your neighbour's doing it, your grandma's doing it, everyone seems to do it. And so today I thought we could put the pencils aside and pick up a pen. A lot of you will know that I normally just stick to pencil drawings, but all of that is about to change because I'm willing to give this a go. So this is me jumping on the Inktober bandwagon, and actually before we start drawing in pen, I'm just going to do some rough outlines with blue lead. I don't even know what I'm drawing, but wish me luck, let's see how this goes. Okay, so this isn't going too bad, but the fact that every line that I put down is permanent kind of scares me. But in terms of the drawing, I'm probably going to go for something quite chaotic, like a series of power lines with wires everywhere. I don't know, but let's just get back into this. Okay, so we're almost finished with this. I've made some errors here and there, but I'm enjoying doing this, and now it's time to really finish this off. there we go, that is the first pen drawing in a video on the channel, and it didn't turn out too bad considering I never draw in pen. I might use it again for some future videos, but I'm not too sure. It really depends on how I'm feeling, because I was pretty uncomfortable using that because I'm not familiar with it, which isn't a bad thing because I'm always one for coming out of the comfort zone and trying new things. Also, it's good because you're sort of considering where you place each mark, because obviously it's all permanent, you can't erase anything, which was kind of challenging, but it was something different. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give it a like. Before we end, I have some stuff to update you on. The first thing is that I'm going to be putting some final images and some work in progress photos over on Instagram, so if you want to go over to there, you can see them. I'm going to be updating the store soon, hopefully, with all of the artwork that I've created recently. So again, I'll keep you updated over on Twitter or on Instagram, and then I'm hopefully going to be launching a Patreon page to upload some real-time footage of the drawings that you see in the videos, because a lot of you have requested that, and I also have some other stuff planned for that as well. So yeah, well, I'll keep you updated. We have a lot of stuff planned, a lot of videos planned, and yeah, we're just going to kill it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.